Hello guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the lag and stuttering in Battlefield 6. If your game's been feeling like choppy or delayed, don't worry. Follow these quick steps and you'll be back to smooth gameplay in no time. Let's begin. First, I want you to open your search bar and type CMD, alright? Click over here, type CMD or command prompt. Left click on this and make sure to run this as the admin, all right? I'm going to do this again, run as the admin. Then over here, I want you to type ipconfig slash flush DNS, ipconfig slash space slash flush DNS. Okay? Just hit enter and you'll clear out your old DNS cache. This alone can seriously reduce lag spikes. And for number two, if you're still lagging a lot, your GPU drivers might be outdated. So open either AMD Adrenalin or NVIDIA GeForce Experience. So go to their official websites if you don't have those applications anymore, okay? So here, NVIDIA app, and for the AMD, so download these, okay? And they will tell you if your current GPU's driver is out of date. This is very serious, and we tend to forget updating our GPU drivers, and they actually play a critical role in playing high FPS games, okay? And this will actually make a huge difference in performance. Now, the next step is to check or change your compatibility settings, alright? So I want you to go ahead and right click on Battlefield 6 execution file. So I want you to click on your start menu over here and then type Battlefield 6. Right click on it and choose Open File Location. From here, right click on the Battlefield 6 execution file, choose Show More Options or simply go to Properties. And under the Compatibility tab, enable Run this program as the administrator, disable full screen optimizations, and then run in compatibility mode for your current Windows version. Click apply, then OK. And that's it. By following all of these steps, your Battlefield 6 should now run way smoother with less lag and stutter. I hope you found this video very helpful.